Welcome to the Autoverse, your premier destination for in-depth insights into the world of classic cars, old trucks, and hot rods. In this episode, we're diving into the heart of America's automotive history, spotlighting iconic vehicles that have left an indelible mark on the industry, and the enthusiasts who celebrate them. Don't forget to subscribe for more detailed explorations of automotive legends. The story begins with the Ford Model T, introduced in 1908. This car revolutionized the industry with its affordable price and mass production methods. The 2.9L inline-4 engine produced 20 horsepower, modest by today's standards, but it made the automobile accessible to the average American family. With a utilitarian design and a rugged interior, the Model T was simple yet effective, remaining in production until 1927. Following the Model T, Ford introduced the Model A, 1927. This successor featured a 3.3L inline-4 engine with 40 horsepower and a more refined design, including improved brakes and suspension. Its interior offered a leap in comfort, with upholstered seats and a dashboard with integrated gauges. The Model A set a benchmark for quality at a competitive price, solidifying Ford's dominance in the market. Chevrolet entered the fray with the Bel Air, debuting in 1950. The 1957 model, in particular, became a cultural icon, sporting a 4.6L V8 engine with up to 283 horsepower. It offered a blend of performance and style. Chrome accents, sweeping tail fins, and a plush interior made the Bel Air a dream car of its era. Today, it's a favorite among collectors, with pristine examples commanding high prices at auctions. The Ford Crown Victoria, introduced in 1979, became synonymous with law enforcement and taxi fleets. Its 4.6L V8 engine and body-on-frame construction ensured durability and reliability. The Crown Victoria's spacious interior and understated design appealed to a wide audience, making it a staple of American roads, until its discontinuation in 2011. The Ford Escort Mk1 RS, launched in 1970, brought European flair to Ford's lineup. Its high-revving 1.6 inline-4 engine delivered spirited performance, making it a favorite in rally racing. The Escort Mk1 RS combined lightweight construction with sharp handling, becoming a symbol of Ford's motorsport success. Another standout is the Ford three-window coupe from the 1930s. This car epitomized pre-war design with its elegant curves and minimalist grille. Its V8 engine provided solid performance for its time, and the coupe's aesthetic made it a popular choice for hot rod customization in the post-war era. The Citroën 2CV, introduced in 1948, may seem out of place, but its simplicity and affordability earned it a spot in automotive history. Powered by a 375cc air-cooled engine producing just 9 horsepower, the 2CV was designed for rural France, but found fans worldwide for its practicality and charm. The Ford Galaxy debuted in 1959, showcasing space-age design influences. The 1963 Galaxy 500 XL, with its 427 cubic-inch V8 engine, was a muscle car in disguise. Its sleek lines, comfortable interior, and impressive performance made it a competitor in NASCAR and a favorite among enthusiasts. Mercury introduced the Cougar in 1967 as an upscale sibling to the Ford Mustang. Its longer wheelbase and luxurious features set it apart. The GT model offered powerful V8 engines and sporty handling, blending performance with sophistication. The Mercury chopped version, often customized by enthusiasts, added a distinctive flair with lowered roofs and unique styling cues. The Volkswagen Beetle, originally launched in 1938, became a global icon of affordability and practicality. Its air-cooled, flat-4 engine and rear engine layout offered reliability and ease of maintenance. The Beetle's design remained largely unchanged for decades, endearing it to millions of owners worldwide. Cadillac's Coupe de Ville, introduced in 1949, defined American luxury. The 1959 model, with its towering tail fins and 6.4L V8 engine, remains a symbol of opulence and excess. Its interior featured leather seats, power accessories, and advanced options like air conditioning, setting a high standard for luxury vehicles. The Ford Standard Tudor, from 1935, offered an affordable, yet stylish option for families. Its flathead V8 engine provided decent performance, while the Tudor's design reflected the elegance of the era. This model became a popular platform for hot rod builders in subsequent decades. The Ford Mustang, introduced in 1964, created the pony car segment. The 1965 GT350, developed by Carroll Shelby, added racing pedigree with a high-performance V8 engine and track-focused modifications. The Mustang's timeless appeal has ensured its place as an enduring American icon. Cadillac's Biarritz models, particularly the 1957 Eldorado Biarritz, showcased peak 1950s luxury. Equipped with a 6.0L V8 engine and a host of advanced features, including air suspension and a convertible top, the Biarritz exemplified American automotive extravagance. American classic car shows are also a hub for restorations and resto-mods, blending vintage aesthetics with modern performance. Vehicles like the Dodge, Charger, and Chevrolet Camaro are often updated with modern engines, suspension systems, and tech features while retaining their iconic looks. These restorations can cost anywhere from $50,000 to over $200,000, depending on the extent of the modifications. The interiors of classic cars are as diverse as their exteriors, from the minimalist dashboards of the Model T to the luxurious leather seats of the Bel Air and the sporty cockpits of the Mustang. Each era reflects the tastes and technological advancements of its time. Modern upgrades like air conditioning, touchscreens, and premium audio systems are common in resto-mods, enhancing comfort and functionality. Engines are a focal point at classic car shows, showcasing the evolution of automotive engineering. Inline sixes, V8s, and HEMAs dominate, with power outputs ranging from modest figures in the early 20th century to the jaw-dropping numbers of modern supercars. Engine restorations often include upgrades for reliability and performance, making these classics suitable for modern roads. The cultural impact of American classic cars cannot be overstated. They symbolize freedom, innovation, and the pursuit of the American dream. Movies like Bullitt, Smokey and the Bandit, and The Fast and the Furious have immortalized these vehicles, ensuring their legacy endures for generations. Attending a classic car show is like stepping back in time. The meticulously restored vehicles, passionate owners, and vibrant atmosphere create an unforgettable experience. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a casual observer, there's something magical about seeing these icons up close. These vehicles form the backbone of America's classic car culture, celebrated at shows and in private collections across the nation. Their engineering, design, and cultural impact continue to captivate enthusiasts and newcomers alike. Thank you for joining us on this journey through America's automotive history. Don't forget to subscribe to The Auto Verse for more fascinating stories about cars, trucks, and the people who love them.